Okay, let's install the latest version of Sveltekit. I am going to first go over what is required and then we will do the install, okay? 1. First create a projects folder under which you will install all your Sveltekit apps, if don't have one already, and in terminal to command window change to the folder. I have mine called projects. 2. Check website https://svelte.dev/docs/kit/creating-a-project for the latest commands to run. 3. In your command terminal window, run each command in turn. The first command has 5 prompts shown on the next screen. I am calling the app Sizzle. The commands are npx sv create Sizzle, cd Sizzle, npm install, npm run dev. Note that these commands change from time to time, so always check the website for the latest instructions. 4. When these are run, you can then open your browser and type in localhost 5173 and you will see the default welcome to Sveltekit, confirming you are running the minimal Sveltekit app. Next, let's take a look at the prompts. Note that these are also subject to change. As of writing this, November 2024, the prompts are as shown when running command npx sv create Sizzle. The prompts are: need to install the following packages, sv at 0.6.5. OK to proceed? Respond why. Which template would you like? Respond Sveltekit minimal. Add type checking with TypeScript. Respond no. Choose the following to add to your project by pressing spacebar on each one you want and then enter. Prettier, slint. Which package manager do you want to install dependencies with? Respond npm or whichever you are familiar with. It then gives you project next steps. You can ignore step 2 git install. Next run cd Sizzle, npm run dev. Note that npm run dev runs a local development server using at port 5173. You can stop this local server in the terminal to command window by pressing Ctrl+C for Windows and probably Command+C on Mac. And then restart it by running npm run dev. Please note that from time to time while developing, the app may crash the local server and you should switch to the command window, hit Ctrl+C to stop the server and then run npm run dev to start it again. OK, now when those commands have been run, your development server will be running and your minimal application will be installed and you can access it at port 5173 by opening your browser and typing in localhost 5173. And you should see Welcome to Sveltekit. OK, so that's the theory. Now the practical. I will keep the instructions on screen so you can see these on the right while we do this on the left in the command window. Here goes. We have the command window open and we are in this projects folder. You would run the following commands in this folder and it will create the project in a subfolder with the project name as the subfolder name. npx sv create Sizzle. cd Sizzle. npm install. npm run dev. When those commands are run, you can then open your browser and type in localhost 5173. And you should see the default Welcome to Sveltekit screen. Congratulations, you have now installed a Sveltekit application. Now, because I want you to install my Sizzle exercise app, there is one final part of the setup and we will cover that in the next video. See you there.